Nathan Daniel, and for like the 5th time, I'm gonna go down the hill, but I'm gonna go down the highest part of the hill.
Dun dun
I've gone down
dun.
the hill so many times, but usually when I go down the hill, it's right over there. That's for weak people, like how I used to be. Now, I'm gonna be right here, down the hill, onto the ramp. It's gonna hurt, and I'm gonna be soaking wet. So let's do this. This time it's not me videotaping, but it's my fellow friend here, Hannah,
Bueno.
and she is gonna videotape me doing this.
Hurry up.
Okay, scared though. God, I've done it. Let's do this
On your tummy.
on my tummy.
Fine, on your butt.
Let's
Hang on.
say bye.
I need to see if he is level. You're not gonna hit the ramp. Look at that. He's way over here, and the ramp is right in front of me.
See, look at this.
Scoot this way. Like a lot.
Why?
Because you're not gonna hit the ramp.
No, not that ramp, that ramp.
I know you're not gonna hit it. I'm standing right behind, like right in front of it.
Okay, ready? Say bye-bye.
You still need to scoot over.
Just say bye-bye. I'll move over.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Woo! Wait, stay down there. How do I zoom in?